Hi everyone, this is Miss George. Today we're going to look at our objective. We are identifying the central idea of a nonfiction text. In order to do this lesson well, you're going to need headphones, a pen, and the handout that looks just like this. When you have all of those materials, then you're ready to start. Anything that you see me write down, you're also copying on your paper, and this will be your ticket to move on to the next step. So right in front of me, I have my pen, I have my paper, and I'm ready to model how we're going to find central idea. This first video will be step 1. Step 1 is previewing the text. So we're going to go through how to preview the text in this video. In the next video, we'll talk about main idea. And in the last video, we'll look at our graphic organizer. To start, go ahead and put your name in the top right corner of your paper. I put mine right here. And we're going to preview the text. That means we're going to look at the text and try to get some background information. That way, when we read our text, we're familiar with the topic. When we preview our text, we're going to look for text features. So first, we're going to look at the title. We're going to look for images. We're going to look for subheadings. So right now, follow along with me as we label our paper. The first thing I notice is the title. Teens are using TikTok to talk about difficult issues. I'm going to go ahead and just label this title, and I'm going to circle the topic, which I see TikTok and teens. The next thing I'm looking at are images. So we have this big picture in the middle with the TikTok logo. So this text feature is a photograph. So we're going to write photograph, and we're also going to write down what we see. TikTok logo. Okay. Again, we're building background information. So we have our title about TikTok and teens. We see the TikTok logo. Let's keep going. We're not reading the article. We're just looking for text features. There are none right here. There is a caption, so we can actually go ahead and write caption. And let's read it. The app TikTok logo is displayed on a smartphone, photo illustration, and it tells us where it comes from. Okay. On the second page, flip your paper, we have 3 bolded subheadings. That is how our text is organized. So for each one, we're going to write subheading 1, subheading 2, and subheading 3. Remember, the purpose of subheadings are to tell you an idea of what this section is about. So let's read each subheading. Teens have made TikTok popular. I might circle some keywords. We know it's about TikTok, but now I see a new word, popular. The next one says, getting through hard times together. So this part might be all about struggling. So I'm going to circle that. And in my last section, opening up to people their own age. I can tell this part will be about opening up. So when I go back to read, I'm expecting to hear about it being popular, about struggles, and about maybe communication or community. On the back page, there are no text features here. So let's go back and see what we've done so far. We've gotten our nonfiction article. We know our goal for today is to find central idea, and we have done step 1. Step 1 is to find the topic. So far we have teens, TikTok, we have the TikTok logo. We know it's something about being popular, something about getting through hard times together, and opening up with each other. The last step is to write a prediction next to the title. So here's the sentence starter I want you to use. I think this text will be about. And you're going to fill it in. What do you think this will be about now that we've looked at the title, images, and subheadings? When you have that, you can go on to the next video.